Hey guys, welcome to another Warhead tutorial. This video is the first in the series on how to use blocks in Warhead. Today, we're going to be talking about the breadcrumbs block. Breadcrumbs are simply a trail or path that a user takes when navigating to a specific page on a website. And just like Hansel and Gretel, breadcrumbs are useful whenever a user wants to find their way back from where they came. Let's get started. Now, breadcrumbs typically aren't added to a website's homepage, so the first thing we're going to do is navigate to any page other than the homepage, like home decor. Now, our breadcrumbs are going to go below the navigation, above the page heading. To do that, we need to select the sector that we're going to place the breadcrumbs block in, just like that. Then we click Add Block and select the breadcrumbs block. These are the breadcrumbs block settings. The label is simply the text that displays before the path, and the separator is the symbol that displays between each link in the trail. So we click Add, and our breadcrumbs block has been added. Now, in Warhead, anytime you add a block, it automatically gets added at the bottom of the blocks list in a sector. So we need to drag the block to where we want it to display in that sector, just like that, above our page heading. As you can see, our breadcrumbs have been added. Now all that's left is any styling that you want to apply to your breadcrumbs. Before we do that though, I want to go ahead and edit the settings because we want to remove the label text. To take away the label text, you simply just delete it like that. There you go. Now we have a nice clean breadcrumbs trail. The next thing we want to do is remove the breadcrumbs from any pages that we don't want them to display on. As I mentioned, breadcrumbs typically aren't added to a website's homepage. So we're going to go back to the homepage, and you can see our breadcrumbs are here. So we want to turn those breadcrumbs off on our homepage. To do that, you simply make it not visible on the page. And there you go. No more breadcrumbs on the homepage. But they're still on all the other pages, just like we want. Now all that's left is to style the breadcrumbs however you want. Alright, now we've added some styles to our breadcrumbs so that they display nicely and match the theme. And once you navigate to additional pages, you can see the breadcrumbs trail automatically updates. Doesn't matter how deep you go in the navigation, Warhead will automatically update the links to reflect in the trail. There you have it. You've just seen how easy it is to add breadcrumbs to your website using Warhead. Stay tuned for future tutorials where we show you how to use more blocks in Warhead. Thanks for watching.